Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to Awesome Calls Trading chat room daily webinar review on our stocks that we picked today. We had a great morning, and our earning plays actually turned out to be pretty nice. Let me kind of show you what we had um, into earnings, and I'll go over that quickly. And we're going to do this again tonight. So the first that we had was OLN. This was a stock that we took long, and I believe we took long around 24.20, and the stock ended up going to 26. This was an earnings play, and that we overnighted, and many traders did very well on that. I called this earnings yesterday, 20 minutes before the bell, and the minute the bell opened this morning, the stock hit 25, almost $26 a share on earnings. All right, so this was the earnings winner. Earnings winner. So I want you to keep track of the winners today. Okay, the next one was Airy. Airy, I took long at $19.02. Told everyone in the chat room to long the stock, and on earnings into overnight, the stock hit $21 on Airy. The next one that I did, there was four of them. Traders, can you give me the four, please? What's the fourth one? I know CNC. What was the last one? OLN, I already spoke of. Airy, Lake. Oh, yeah, okay. CNC, we took a short overnight, and based on the activity that we saw and why, and for me as a trader, um, I actually shook myself out at 135 this morning. Right here, this is me. I got out, I took the hit, but the first thing I decided to do was I was going to get my money back because I read the report and there was just no way this stock should be up. In my opinion, the stock should have been way below at 125 and under. And for whatever reason, shorts just got punked out and squeezed. And, obviously I was one of them. But in the end, I ended up shorting, and I shorted this 2 or 3 times, and I played the bounce. So I got my money. I played the bounce with a trader in the name Taco. He called out 130, and we played it for 1.5 to the upside. So I got my money way over on this one back. So I don't have any regrets. The key thing is this call was to short at 130, and guess what? The stock ended up doing exactly what the short sellers want to do. So in the end, it's actually a win. If I hadn't, what I should have done is just added on the pop and then took it down. I would have had a better average at 135, and I could have just shredded it. But hey, can't be a high slant trader. So now the one that did get us was Leg. Now Leg, I did sell after hours before the close, and I did keep a little bit, and I was able to dump it right around here on this pop. So this one bit me a little bit, and but I didn't let it go against me and add. Actually surprised a lot of investors, and the reason why it squeezed so much is because everyone was shorting the stock prior to the earnings, and it was pretty thick. And if you look at the history of the stock, this stock very rarely gets even that kind of pop. So, hey, in the end, I was 3 for 4 on earning plays. I'll take that percentage all day long. And tonight we're going to do it again because that's what we do. But I was really happy with Airy. Made traders a lot of money. Olin made good money for everyone. And CNC ended up giving us a great opportunity. If we even took the loss, we were able to get our money back. So, and tonight I will do it again. About 20 minutes. Actually, in about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, I'm going to go over the new earnings for today. And one last thing, I did make it clear that although there was a lot of activity to the downside on EL and Ralph Lauren, I made it very clear to the room because I had some short sellers that wanted to take it short overnight based on the action that they saw, and I said, do not do that. Do not short these two stocks. They will always surprise you, and they are not stocks to short. And I was absolutely right. Ralph Lauren jumped about 12, 14 points, and Estee Lauder jumped another 20. So I saved a lot of traders a lot of money on those particular trades. So I was really proud of myself on that. And that's because I've been trading for 15 years, and I've watched these stocks trade, and believe me, you don't get involved in something like that. So today's play on CNC was really good on our pre-market list. It was basically to short the 139 level, give it pop to 140, even 141, and just take it down and look to gap fill it at one. I think I was looking at 134, 135, and within you could count just within literally minutes the stock plummeted to 132. It was a great short. You can't even. There's nothing to say. And even if you were, you took the earnings short, and you got, like I did, got a little got hit on it, you were able to get your money back very quickly, which I did. This was one of the most beautiful trades I did this morning, and I did it live. The next trade we had was a stock called RGNX. I really like RGNX. This morning we got a gap up, almost 4 points to the upside. The reason for the gap up on RGNX was that Raymond James put a strong buy on this for a $94 price target. So this stock is going to probably end up going back over 50, probably in 55 world by Friday. But for now, and it's a swing idea in the chat room, but unfortunately I cannot, we don't buy stock up that's gapping up 4 points. So I told the chat room in writing pre-market to short the stock and take it down to, I believe I said, RGNX, take it to $46. And as soon as the 46 comes, go long. And if you just follow this particular trade by itself, I just want you to see how it works in our room, how great we are. And we are a great room, great environment, great traders, great community. You short at 50, came all the way down, and I told you, and I told everyone, the stock is going to come to $46. And once it hits 46, you go long. And to a T, it hit $46.03. And guess what? Stock is heading right back up. Now I know you look at this daily and just it baffles you that you're actually trading with a real professional that can call these with such accuracy. And it's not just that I can make the call, it's because I understand the stock. I understand the underwriters. I understand the analysts. I understand how to trade the news behind the stock. That's what I do. And what that does is it gives a trader not only the ability to learn how to trade, but can really visualize and see like what I see, like, wow, and to watch it play out and go long at 46. Do you realize if you hadn't traded and you were a part-time trader and you just came in 3 hours later and the stock pulled down to 46, and hey, AJ, can I go long? Yeah, guess what? You just made 2 points on a trade out of nowhere. And this is if you came in at 11 o'clock in the afternoon, Pacific time. I will always find you a trade. So RGNX was a really great play for us today. The next trade that we did was a company called, oh, I have to give 2 of these. I want to give a shout out to Kron from the great Raphael, who we are honored every day to be in this room. And Raphael saw the sell-off this morning, and immediately in the room, when the stock ran and popped, he called a long around $21 a share today in the chat room. And as you can see, the stock hit 24. So we have to give credit where it's due. And he walked it up. He walked it up. And I was able to make money on this. So did many in the room. I couldn't short the stock. Believe me, I was dying to short. And DD told me TD had no shares today before I even clicked. I was going to short 500 to 1,000 shares because what's Chrome, just the chart pattern alone is so great because every time it peaks, it comes down hard, peaks, comes down hard, peaks, comes down hard. I was trying to nail this one. I did put in 1,000 shares TD market order and it got rejected live and everyone heard it. And if I had gotten it, the stock came down over 80 cents for $800. And you can see if I had stayed in it, the stock would have just keep coming down. Just so you can see that RGNX is just keeps going. I mean, this is what we do. I mean, this is beautiful. Amir's happy. Alex is happy. Alex got in at, I think, at 46.40, and he's going to post. I mean, we all love Alex. He's a leader. When he's on Discord tonight, listen to him. Listen to his excitement. Listen to how he tells you, this is what I did. And I made a lot of money trading this stock today because I listened and I knew what to do, just like ABMD yesterday. He's going to post probably a $800 win on this one because that's Alex. Alex is a full-time trader. That's what he does. Amir making money as well. And all because we went long at 46 pre-market notes. Okay. So, Quan was a really good one. Amir, I'm so happy I can come in here, even if it's a short days. Well, thank you. I'm happy for you too. I'm happy. You come as many times as you want. Okay. So that was a really great trade. And so thank you, Raphael. So we're going to do a chart for Raphael tonight on Cron. And then there was B trades. You can't do anything without B trades. B trades, B trades, B trades. He usually gives us the small cap stuff. Hey, they're not really running, not last couple days, but B gave us Roku yesterday, and today he didn't disappoint. He gave us Etsy today, and he nailed Etsy. And Janny, I believe, went short Etsy. I don't know if he's still short, but this was absolutely stunning. This just broke out. He called the breakout. I believe he went long at 55.50 on the first pop, and he literally could see 59 before it even happened. Once 59 hit, he was done with it, but then 60 came. Janny started trying to short up here, got shook out a few times, and I think he finally saw the heaviness, and he finally got it the third time, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, and he's just shredding this right now. He knew this was going to come. None of us saw this, why this was moving. But what was really interesting too this morning when Roku hit yesterday, I was telling this has got the Roku look, so wait. I kept telling people wait. But it ended up paying off a nice short there. So well done on Etsy. All right. So Cron and Etsy, Raphael and B trades. We're going to do starts on that. The next trade that I'd like to go over is a stock called ITW. We just discussed this in the room as well. ITW. And ITW was gapping down because of a downgrade from an analyst. So if you look at my pre-market notes, I made it very clear to go along the stock and take ITW to $137. I was all over this long. 137. 137. Right there. So that was a really nice one. I was really happy with that trade. All right. And so if you look at ITW right here, you can see that it went right to 137, almost 137.92. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And let's do one more off our great list. I do want to see what ICPT did today. We're trying to get that one going. Nope, stayed down low. ABMD, that was a beauty. 350 got defended this morning. I did play this live in the room off the 347, and I got paid on that one as well. That was fun. I only play this with 200 shares, maybe 250 max, sometimes 150. I played it twice today. Yesterday I played it 4 times. Really nice trade. I was really happy with that one. And last but not least, we'll give you one last one. This is an earnings play called CHD. And what I wanted you to do on CHD was actually short the stock. I felt the stock, any pop at the open towards 62, 63, scale in short and take it down to 60 and under. I was good for about a 3-point play. I did like it a lot. I felt that it gave us a lot of opportunity. And I had a doctor come in I have several doctors actually in the room, and Dr. T came in and he was in between patients and he needed a quick trade. So he ended up taking CHD. I told him nibble small, um, some stock, but give it room to 63 at the air at the open, and then shred the stock. I felt CHD would probably most likely try to pop a little bit at the open, and then you can go to 60 and under, and then all for an all-day fader. It just depends. If it pulled to 58 to 60, it was going to pop back to 63, and you could short it. However, if it popped to 63, then lean into it short right here, and you could see my notes. Lean into it for an all-day fader on it. I really wanted an all-day fader, but it ended up giving us what we had wanted, the 60 mark. And if you could see, um, if it popped at the open, it gave us 62. So you could have started there, room to add. And again, the whole idea was to take it to 60 and under, and it came down to 559.64. And this is a defined double bottom. So the stock wasn't going to go any lower than that. It was pretty defined. And when you're defined like that, we just take those long because you're not going to go below that. Market makers already they put a stop in it, and that's it. So let me just go long. So that was pretty cool. All right, so that's what we did today. We did quite a few more, and I'm sure there's zillions of other ones I probably didn't talk about, but at least to get us out of the gate, we want to make money. We're always happy in here, and we're always working to hit our goals every day. But today I want to go over, so I went over RGNX, I wanted CNC, Cron, Etsy, CHD, Airy, overnight from earnings. Please make sure we put that overnight from earnings, and Olin overnight from earnings long. And in about 30 minutes, I am going to go over tonight's earnings. Okay. So that is today's live webinar. And again, you can join us now on Discord through the Great Dark Side. This is our Discord. We have it on our pinned tweet here. You could just sign up. I'm keeping this right now because I'm watching the room build, and there's your link. It's free. You can listen to all the traders in our room talk about what they did, why they took the trades. I'm sure a lot of you see them. If you follow me, a lot of these great traders do talk, and I'm very proud of their trades and so forth. And let me see, I just got some nice little tweets here I want to see, and doing good. All right, and also just click on any of our sites. Click here. It's $25 for 1 day, $100 for a week, and $197 for the month. And if you go for a week or a day, we can return that money back to you when you sign up for a month. Okay, so it's almost like free. So enjoy, and thank you for joining us. And I'm looking forward to another great earnings night tonight. I'm going to pick some really good ones. Again, we were 3 for 4 on earnings, and I think they did very well for a lot of traders in the room. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, and be good.